Hey girls, it's Sunday.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird. Bird's a winner. Well, a bird.
When Jen mentioned me in her video, she called me a bird. Now, a bird in jolly old England means a woman.
Bit like you. You're all birds, aren't you? But you're sassy with it. That's right, you're all sassy birds.
Ow!
So sorry this is a bit late. I mean, they say that the early bird catches the worm.
But I think the later bird, comes along, beats the shit out of the early bird, steals his worm, and probably his wife. I mean, that's the way I'd do it anyway.
I'm not a bird of any sort, early nor late, man nor woman.
Actually, I am one of those four, and I think I have pills for the other three.
Anyway, I've been asked to set you 5 questions for the coming week. That was all in sign language, just in case we have any deaf viewers. I don't want to tell you what that means.
Now, because you all live in New England, have you ever been to jolly old England?
Or if you haven't, where's the closest you have been to jolly old England? If you had to be a bird, what kind of bird would you be?
If you had to live in another time, when would it be? Like, you know, like when dinosaurs were around, perhaps? I think that would be a bit scary, to be honest, so you probably wouldn't say that.
Or the Victorian period. That was lovely. A lot of people dressed in black. Fun for some. Now, the age-old question. Mice or umbrellas?
What is your favourite part of my face?
Let's do an ECU on that. So that was me doing this video. Did you find it fun? I found it fun doing this. I look forward to your responses this week.
And if you don't do it sassily, I will come over to New England, beat the shit out of you, steal your worm, and probably your wife.
Bye.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird. Bird's a winner. Well, a bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird.